Hello, in this video, we will learn how to upload vendor bills in NetSuite. This functionality is used to reduce the manual effort of creating vendor bills by uploading the vendor bill files. Our backend process creates the vendor bills automatically based on the details of the uploaded file. To use this functionality, a custom portlet on the dashboard can be used. This portlet can be added to any role and any dashboard. On the portlet, upload the files into the Dropbox. Selecting the vendor is optional and can be selected if needed. Once the bills are uploaded, an automated process runs in the back end to create the vendor bills. These records can be reviewed from the portlet on the dashboard. This shows every detail about the uploaded file, like vendor name, email, uploaded date, input type, bill amount, and created vendor bill number if the process is successful. We can also verify using the same dashboard. Data displayed on this portlet can be filtered by different filters like uploaded date, vendor name, and status. This is how vendor bills creation can be automated using the uploaded bills functionality in NetSuite.